guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing how I did this look. I did a poll on my Twitter and my Instagram. If you want to follow me, link in the description. So let's go. I'm going to show you how I did this look. Let's get into it. So I'm going to use this red color on this eyeshadow palette. It's really good, but after a while it begins to turn pink. I don't know why, but it started out as red. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going in with this angled brush so I don't go over my crease line. I'm just blending it into the corners. I'm just going to blend in the eyeshadow with this brush. I'm blending it outward, not in anymore. So after applying the eyeshadow with the angled brush, I'm now blending it out to give it more of this shadowy vibe, because eyeshadow. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just blending. You have to blend it very well so it doesn't like look too much, because I'm not trying to make it look too much, because it's literally just the background. I'm going to be using concealer to create like a base for my eyelids for the product I'm going to apply on it. Now as you can see, the concealer is really bright, so now whatever product I'm going to apply on it is going to be like a highlight for the whole look. So as you can see, I'm done. Both eyes have concealer, so I'm going to use this blue eyeshadow to go over both eyes. To go with this eyeshadow palette, this color, it's the Juvia's Place one. It is really nice. I really like it. It's literally my favorite eyeshadow palette. So as you can see, it's going really well. It looks really nice. You can see the difference. You can tell it is so obvious. Back in with the eyeshadow because it's kind of fading out, so I just wanted to blend it out more. And now because I already have the blue eyeshadow on, I know where I'm supposed to be. I'm not going to go over the crease line. That's what I'm just doing. So I'm applying the eyeshadow, the red one, under my eyelids. I'm not applying any other foundation or any other type of product. So this is really good to bring out color to the bottom of my eyes. So this part is definitely optional, but I'm just applying the highlights, the corner of my eyes. I'm also going to apply it on my brow line to make it look good, to make it highlight or something. I don't know, but yeah. Now the brush I'm using, it came with the brushes that I bought. It was a set, so that's what I'm using. It's really good. It's very effective. So I'm an extra person, so I'm going to use this glitter liner to go over the line. So yeah, I'm going to do it off camera though, because I'm kind of shaky and I don't want to mess it up. See, it looks so nice. It looks so clean, so pretty. Then I'm going to apply concealer to clean up the eyeshadow. I should have actually have done this before applying the bottom lids, because that way the concealer becomes a base for the eyeshadow. You're supposed to do it that way actually, but either way it works. Then I'm spraying my setting spray on my blending sponge so I can blend out the concealer. this was so much fun to do. I really enjoyed doing this. Thank you all that suggested this look. I really loved it. Now I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.